Mondo, this is for you specifically. Terrible, absolutely horrible filming setup, but I'm giving myself a mullet, even though my parents told me not to. So it can only go great. It's so invigorating. There's something about this experience that's just freeing, you know? It do kind of be hitting different. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, there's hair everywhere. Oh, I'm so excited. But I'm also like, I'm gonna get beat for this. Be careful with the hair we don't want to cut. This is fantastic. Oh my god. We love a hairy chest. Okay. So I'm struggling to get some of these hairs, so I'm gonna just go in with my scissor. I'm just gonna clean it up by your ear. Before any of y'all say anything, yes, these are children's scissors. Thank you for noticing. I don't hate it, is the thing. I kind of vibe. Just take it off a little bit. Just a wee bit of a trim. I'm trying to make up for the last time I shaved my head, and I did it poorly. Alright. Oh, a hairy titty. Haha. Alright, cleanup time. Alright, let's let this hair out, baby. There's hair out and everywhere. I did it. Oh my god, I gave myself a mullet. This is fantastic. This is freeing. That's fantastic. Oh my god, David Bowie. You could never. Oh my god. I love it. I'm so happy. Oh my god. My family was like, it's gonna look awful. And I'm like, there's no way. There's absolutely no way I could look awful. It's so fucking hardcore. Oh my god. Oh, Jenna Marbles, I understand now. She's like, beauty does that. It really do. So I just want to trim my bangs a little. I've trimmed them before, so I kind of know what I'm doing. As I get my finger, I know what I'm doing. It's definitely like more along the lines of an undercut almost. I don't know what this is. This is my attempt at layering. Okay, now that there's hair all over this sink, unlike the men in this household, I actually know how to clean up my own fucking shave. My brothers and father be leaving hair all over the sink. The little stubbly bits can be washed down. I didn't even take off as much as I probably should have on this side. Like, I think another row would have done it, but I'm happy with it. So that's all it takes. Just gonna get the rest of the hair washed away and then go make macaroni. Let's rock and roll.